Welcome to 3-Minute Physics, where we do stuff. Today we're looking at car safety features, in particular airbags.
Travel by car has always been a somewhat risky undertaking. Over the years, countless deaths and injuries have spurred the development of new technologies such as seatbelts, crunch zones and airbags, which help keep our roads safe.
Hello, Professor. So, Professor, how do airbags work?
An airbag is designed to increase the stopping distance of a person's body in a collision, therefore reducing the average force.
The airbag system is a marvel of technology. Sensors in the car measure the abrupt deceleration of a crash, anything greater than running into a brick wall at 20 km per hour. They then send a signal to the inflator, wherein a combination of chemicals similar to those found in solid rocket motors react to produce large quantities of nitrogen gas in a fraction of a second. This gas is forced into the nylon airbag itself, inflating it.
Most modern cars have multiple airbags where passengers are most likely hit in a collision, such as the driver's seat and the passenger side.
And these airbags are meant to increase stopping distance. How does that work?
Well, I've got an experiment to show you how. Here I have my bathroom scales, a soccer ball, a pillow, and some
measuring tape.
Clive, can you give me a hand with this?
Yeah, sure. So what do we have to do?
Okay, so we're going to drop a soccer ball from 1 meter onto my bathroom scales, and we'll note the mass. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to put a pillow on the scales, and we'll see the mass significantly differ.
Newton's second law of motion states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Since acceleration is the same in both cases, we can ignore it. When the soccer ball was dropped straight on the scale, the greatest mass recorded was larger than that for when it was dropped on a pillow, corresponding to a greater force over a shorter time. Work is the process in which a force causes an object to be displaced, and is calculated as the product of force and displacement. Just now, the work done was the deceleration of the ball to rest. In a car crash, it is the deceleration of you, your passengers, and your car from whatever speed you are travelling at to rest. Let's look at the variable of time in a car crash. Without an airbag, you will decelerate immediately as your body hits the car and experiences a greater force which matches the work necessary to stop your motion. An airbag increases the distance you have to decelerate after an accident. With a greater distance to accomplish the same amount of work, a lesser average force is required, resulting in reduced chance of injury.
Thank you, Professor.
Airbags are not just bags of air, they can save your life.
Yes, indeed. Join us again next time for more 3-Minute Physics.